Hello everyone! So for today's tips and tricks, I am going to show you how you can send home a behavior report through Positivity. So one of my most favorite things about Positivity is that you can work right here through our on-demand center by delivering various strategies, award incentives, record any positive behaviors and achievements, and record any of those incidents. So as you're recording all of this, Positivity is collecting all of that data in the background, and what is absolutely amazing is that you guys can send home those reports to your parents every single day, so you're not having to do that double work with those behavior folders that some of you send home. So we're going to go to our Positivity dropdown here. If we go to our hamburger button, I went to Positivity and selected current status. So once we're in current status, I'm going to select my student. We're going to use Stevie over here as my example. It's going to pull up what his day looks like today. So for today, he's used 2 break cards. He's had 5 breath strategies. He did achieve 1 incentive. He accomplished all of that. He had 1 pro-social behavior that we documented and 4 incidents. So rather than having to write all this stuff down individually for each student, you can just print this report out and send it home with them, and all of it's already been collected for you. So here are some of the incidents that he's had. He had an incident at 8:30 a.m. Here's a little note of what happened for that incident. He had another issue during lunchtime at 12 p.m. And then several more is when he had his breakdown during life skills. So it is going to show the time. It's time-stamped with what happened, the incident. Here's the achievement. Here's some breath strategies, and then here are some break cards. So it's a nice recap that we can just hit the print button here. It will prepare the report. It's going to pull it up for us. We can print this out and send it on home with them. That way you're not having to go back in, recall any of that information, or look at your notes, and it just really makes your day much more efficient since Positivity is already collecting all of that for you.